How to use online probate guidance properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Navigating probate can be overwhelming, and online guidance platforms are meant to help, but most beginners make mistakes that cost time and money. You won't believe how small oversights can cause big problems. The first mistake is underestimating the complexity of probate. Online platforms provide forms and instructions, but each estate has unique rules. Follow the guidance carefully and verify state-specific requirements. Another error is missing deadlines. Probate involves strict timelines for filing documents, notifying heirs, and paying debts. Skipping deadlines can lead to penalties or delays in asset distribution. Many users make mistakes in listing assets or debts. Accurate reporting is essential. Online platforms often provide checklists. Use them to avoid omissions that could complicate the process. A surprising mistake is ignoring court fees and taxes. Probate guidance may outline procedures, but failing to account for costs can delay settlement. Prepare for filing fees, estate taxes, and other expenses in advance. Finally, beginners often neglect communication with beneficiaries. Online tools help with document preparation, but keeping heirs informed prevents disputes and confusion. To properly use online probate guidance, follow state rules closely, meet all deadlines, report assets accurately, plan for costs, and maintain clear communication. Avoiding these mistakes ensures a smoother probate process and faster distribution of assets.